Choo-choo! TTPO train is heading towards the station. Even though it's early in the day, the town is already busy with traffic, with lots of cars going to and from work. Here we can see a white and blue police car, a fast-looking red sports car, a yellow and green bus, and coming down the ramp, a blue bus. And a number of people are waiting for the train to arrive. Ah, here it is now. And now the train's passengers can disembark. That means get off the train. Here we have the station master, ready for work. So let's set him in his seat here. Now the other passengers can exit the train, and the new passengers can get on. Huzzah! The station master has given the all-go signal, and off they go towards the next bus stop. And here they are now, ready to come to their next stop. Only one passenger wants to get off at this stop, and it's this station's station master. She's ready for work. So let's set her here at her desk. And now the train can head further down the track with our 3 remaining passengers. 3 students that are on their way to school. And there it is. Now the train can come to a stop to let them get off. Their teacher is already waiting for them because they arrive each morning by train. With all the passengers gone, the train can head back to the next station. Hey, look at that! A ship is arriving full of brand new cars. A delivery for the city. Our passenger train has done a great job helping people move through the city, but it's not going to help us with these cars. It's been built to move people, not large objects. So for that, we're going to need a new train. So thanks for your service, TTPO. We really appreciate it. But for this job, we're going to need a freight train. This orange, blue, and white freight train named Manny is just the train we need to move our cars. And since some of these cars are special deliveries, we'll add 2 special cars in the back. Alright, Manny, let's go get those cars. Off he goes, through the mountainside tunnel, past the schoolhouse, and toward the crossroad. Let's flip the track so Manny can go the right way. We can see that the town is still busy with traffic as our freight train zooms by. Alright, now let's bring Manny to a stop. That way we can load up our cars. Our first car is going in the orange carriage. And our second car goes in the yellow one. Now watch how easily Manny can load up the third and fourth car using the special cars we added earlier. Bloop, bloop. Wow, isn't that great? Now let's go for a ride on our freight train as we head towards the delivery. Alright, here's the spot for our special deliveries, so let's drop them off while we head to our next drop-off spot. Ah, here we go. Our next 2 cars go here. Now let's take a look at what we delivered. The first one of our special deliveries was this blue and white van. Vans are great for families because they have lots of space for everyone to get comfortable. Next, we'll check out our second special delivery, and it looks like it's an orange taxi. Taxis pick up and drop off people who are on vacation or don't have cars. Now we can take a look at our regular deliveries. The first one is an ambulance. Ambulances have a big room in the back so doctors can check on patients while they're on the way to the hospital. Every town needs ambulances, so it's a good thing we made this delivery. And the last of our regular deliveries is this yellow Jeep. Jeeps are strong, rugged vehicles that can go off-road, but ours here wants to just take it easy in the city. There you go, little Jeep. Alright, now let's signal the stop sign so the train can head on. Hey, it looks like passengers are waiting to be picked up. And it sounds like they're in a hurry. So this train won't do it all. It's much too slow and doesn't carry passengers. What we need is a bullet train. Bullet trains are fast and they carry passengers. So this train is perfect to send our passengers to their destination. All aboard! This train has 2 speeds, normal and fast, and we're putting it on fast. Wow, look at it go! Let's ride on board. Woo, this is fun. We'll get to where we're going in no time. Oh no, the train just zoomed through the station. We missed our stop. I guess we're going a little too fast. Well, let's head back around. Okay, this time the station master is ready. Yay, we made it! Ooh, the passengers were not happy about that mistake. Oh well, we better move it along to make room for the next train. And it's heading for us right now. And it looks like it's carrying some goodies. Let's bring it to a stop so we can check them out. We can use this lifting arm to collect the cargo. It's almost like using a claw machine in an arcade. Except here, I'm actually winning. Alright, we got our first delivery without a problem. Now let's see if we can get the second one. Easy, easy. Oh no! Come here, you!
Oi!
Oops.
Oh, that hurt.
I am so sorry, Mario. Well, at least we didn't hurt the Shopkin. Let's take a look at it. It looks like a cute pink and yellow donut van with sprinkles on top. And there's even a donut inside driving it. What an adorable little vehicle. Well, these deliveries are going to be shipped off, so let's help them up to the cargo ship. There's the first one. Now let's take a look at Mario.
Oh, I'm feeling a lot better now.
Wow, that's great to hear, Mario. And here he is with his Wild Wing Racer, straight from Mario Kart. Even though this is one of the fastest karts in the game, it doesn't handle so well.
You're right. Please help me up the road.
No problem, Mario. We'll keep you on the track. Alright, now that we've received our shipments, let's send the train off to make room for the next train. Choo-choo! Oh, I hear it coming now. Oh wow, it's an old-fashioned steam engine. And it's taking some tourists on a sightseeing tour around the city. Steam engines use pressure from steam to make them move.
Ooh. Ah.
They're not as popular as they used to be, but they're still fun to ride.
Ah, what a great train ride.
You said it, Bluey.
Check it out, a tractor trailer has brought us a new delivery. And we have a freight train with empty cars ready to go pick it up. Alright, let's bring our train to a stop and load up our delivery, the blue one and the yellow one. Now let's head to the station so we can check them out. In our city, the cars wait at the crossroads for the train to pass. That's always best for safety. Here comes the freight train to the station. Let's use the claw to pick up the delivery. Yes, we got the blue one. So let's open it up and see what we find inside. Oh look, I think it's a blind bag. It is! It's a Disney Whisker Haven blind bag. I wonder which one we'll find inside. Oh, check it out, a tiger! Sultan is Jasmine's energetic and playful tiger cub. And he's just so cute. Wow, now I can't wait to see what's in the yellow box. Alright, there we go. Let's see. Oh, it's another Whisker Haven blind bag. Let's see what character we get next. Oh, can you believe it? We got another one of Jasmine's pets. This is the monkey Nile. He's playful and a little naughty on the show. I'm sure our two palace pets would love to go on a train ride. So let's send the freight train off and bring on another passenger train. And here it comes now, this awesome blue and white one. Alright, here you go, Nile. And Sultan can go on this one. Uh-oh, it looks like it's time for rush hour traffic. Here come all the trains. Let's see how many we can get on the track. Alright, here's another one with some rocks from the quarry. Ooh, that was close. And now check it out, we have trains galore. Whoa, isn't that awesome? There's so many cool trains on our track. Look at them all go. Let's see if we can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 different trains. Alright guys, I hope you had fun with our train-filled adventure. I know I did. Make sure you leave the video a thumbs up. Till next time.